I got a bad habit of getting started working and saying, hey man, I got some stuff I could probably record. Somebody might like to check it out. So here I am, I'm halfway through replacing the body mounts. The body mount bushings is 4 bolts. The old ones were shot. Again, I'm going to be drag racing this car, so just my main thing is safety. So I've got jack stands on the 4 corners of the car and the center section there to hold it up. So I'm doing one side at a time. So, and this is what's left of the old one. So I'm assuming this is a 69. So this is 2020. And there we go. So we definitely got our money's worth. Somebody definitely got their money's worth out of those bushings. That's the back. The front ones don't seem to be, well, they're shot too, you know. Front side is shot. So replacing it with new stuff. So I've already got the, let's see if I can get the camera in there. There's the back. I gotta go through and tighten it down. And then there's the front. So, and here's what the hardware looks like. So this is the front hardware. And here's the rear. So let me find that bolt too while I'm already up. I guess the bolt is, here's the bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side now. I think I might have enough time today to also put the front clip on it too. So we'll see how far I get. Depending if somebody hits me up on something I've got for sale and I don't have to run and meet them, I might be able to put the front clip on today, along with maybe do some additional body work on it. All right, here we go. So we got that in there. I gotta watch my fingers. Watch your fingers. Got a cry bar. There we go. Oh, I gotta get the damn cry bar out. Let's see. There we go. All right. That was it. Let's put a little spray on here. Spray a little lube on it. Whew. All right. There she goes. And we're done. It's quite a bit of rust. Out with the old and with the new. All right, so with all of them out, all the old pieces out, now we're just gonna go back through and tighten everything down. Tighten that thing out. I probably should look up the torque specs to make sure I torque them back at the right level, but the car's not going to be driven for a minute, so just want to tighten them down. See, yeah, I'm gonna have to look that up, see what I need to torque them down at. But yeah, I guess I can live with that. All right, so that's it. So all in all, the job wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it took me about 30 minutes. Oh, well, let's say an hour. It took me 30 minutes each side, which is more than doable. I'm fine with it. I'm cool with it. Happy with what I bought. Happy with the results thus far. So on to the next little project with this car, which is going to be, I got the cover piece for this piece right here. So I'm gonna cover that. I got the inner fenders done, fenders, hood, just basically put the front clip on it so it'll start looking like a car again. Body work, I'm gonna start going back and doing some more, getting it where everything is nice and smooth and evened out. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. If I'm just gonna go with a wrap, maybe try a liquid wrap or a plasti dip, or just paint it flat black. Again, I'd rather spend the money on the engine, transmission, on going fast and making sure the car's safe versus a really, really nice paint job. So, but again, my OCD might kick in. I might say, hey, the last two Novas you did had really nice paint jobs. We're not going to cut yourself short and go with an easy way out on this one. I don't know yet. But here nor there, I'm getting anxious. I want to get back to the track, racing, hanging out with my friends, racing, beating on it. That's just where I want to go, what I want to do with the car. So again, that's probably one of the reasons why I might not paint the car. But all in all, this quarter is actually in pretty good shape. The other quarter is not. It's got some rough at the bottom. Deck lid is perfect. That was a nice score off good old Marketplace. And this is the passenger side quarter. I've got it replaced, but it's obviously ate out right there with the rust. And we've got some previous repairs over the years right there showing through. So if I do a wrap or plastic dip it, I'll definitely have to dress that up, make it presentable where it'll last for a while. So I don't know. I've been doing research and reading, checking other guys out on YouTube with the plastic dip and the wraps as far as how long they last. So I'm thinking if I can get something decent and presentable to last me 4 to 5 years, that should be long enough for me to save up, a couple grand for a really nice paint job for this car. The front half of the car is all going to be brand new, so that should be fairly easy. And then during that time, hell, I might even go ahead and fork out the money for brand new doors, so the doors will be brand new if I don't use these doors. That quarter on the driver's side is in good shape. The deck lid's in good shape. So the only real body work on the outside is going to be this passenger side quarter, which I've got a brand new full quarter, AMD quarter, and then replacing the floor pans. So, which I'm going to go ahead and do before I paint the car anyway. So as far as body on the outside concerns, the most expensive part is going to be replacing that passenger side quarter and then going from there. As far as the jams and stuff go, I'm just probably going to keep them black, even if I do put a nice paint job on them. It kind of hides the gaps and stuff a little bit better in my experience, and it's easier to touch up versus having to color match and go through all that kind of stuff. So I'll probably just keep the jams black on this one as much as it irks me because I've done other Novas that were nice and done the jams and everything color match. But here nor there, like I said, I'd rather spend that time and money on going fast than appearance. So we'll see how it goes and what we turn out. But thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.